The apathy for second, third, and fourth job is becoming prevalent, and people are asking what they can do on the side to earn passive income instead of juggling multiple jobs. In today's video, I put together a side hustle idea that could earn you passive income, and most of it from the comfort of your home. In the coming days, I shall be doing videos on the practical steps for some of these passive income ideas. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Do also click on the notification button so that you know when I upload a new video. Now, let's dive in. Number one, selling used item. You can sell your gently used item on platforms such as Facebook Marketplace, or even set up your own online shop using Shopify. Number two, online course. Teaching others something that you excel in is a fantastic way to earn money online. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare make it easy for you to create and sell your own course. This could be anything from photography, graphic designs, cooking, filmmaking, content creation. Let me just name a few. So you can create a course that you can sell online in whatever you are selling. Number three, online survey. Participate in paid online survey from companies like Survey Junkie, Swagbox, or Vindale Research. Number four, personal training or fitness coach. If you are good at physical fitness and you have a passion for helping people improve in their health, you can offer personal training or fitness coaching service. Number five, service accommodation, popularly known as Airbnb. This is where you can let out a residential property on a short-term basis. I am into this, and it is a fantastic way of earning passive income. I'm going to be doing a video soon on the step-by-step guide to starting your own Airbnb. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you haven't already. Number six, stock photography. Sell your photographs on stock photo website like Shutterstock, iStock, or Adobe Stock. This is like one having a hobby that at the same time makes you extra cash. Number seven, be a pet sitter or pet groomer. This basically involves spending quality time with pets whilst their owners are away. You can earn some extra cash doing this. Create a loyal customer base. I'm sure you know how much pets mean to people. And similar to this is earning passive income through dog walking. Number eight, graphic design. Offer your graphic design services to businesses. This could be logo designs or print business cards. It could be either digital or conventional business card. Just be creative. My number nine passive income idea is selling handmade products. If you have a natural skill for creating something beautiful or unique items like jewelry, handmade bags, shoes, and handmade greeting cards, you can sell them online on platforms such as Etsy and Facebook Marketplace. Number 10, online tutoring. If you are good at teaching and understand different subjects such as math, the sciences, or languages, you could teach it online. You can offer your expertise as an online tutor. Websites like Checked, VidKids can connect you with students in need of your assistance. Number 11, real estate investing. Investing in property and renting it out can generate passive income whilst you await returns on your initial investments. Number 12, blogging. If you have a passion for writing and you excel at creating contents, blogging is a great side hustle. You can monetize your blogging through affiliate marketing, sponsorship, or selling your own products. Number 13, stock trading. Sell stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds through platforms such as Robinhood or E-Trade. although this requires some financial knowledge. But you can start small with low-cost index funds. Number 14, YouTube. Creating and sharing videos on YouTube can earn you passive income through advertising and sponsorship. Number 15, selling digital products. Create and sell digital products such as ebook, kids coloring books, printables, or online courses through platforms such as Gumroad, Etsy, or Teachable. Number 16, podcasting. Start a podcast where you can share your thoughts, experience, or knowledge on a specific subject. This is an engaging way to monetize your content. Number 17, affiliate marketing. Promote products or services from other companies and earn commission for every product sold through your unique referral links. You can put such products or services out through social media and then earn a commission for the sale made through your unique link. Number 18, drop shipping. You can start an online store without holding inventory by partnering with suppliers who ships products directly to your customers. It is a low-cost way to sell products without having to worry about managing orders and shipping. Number 19, freelancing. Offer your skills on websites like Fiverr and Upwork and work on a project for clients worldwide. It could be anything from creating YouTube thumbnails or editing. The list goes on. And finally, number 20, offer local services. This could be skill-based service like dog walking, cooking, lawn care, and hairstylist. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.